Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang. Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang. Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
Okay, so we're on the beach. This is Danang. So we're here about 10 in the morning. It's a Sunday morning right now. There's somebody in the hula hoop over there exercising, which is kind of cool. And we're going to be kind of walking down this beach a little bit and just showing you what it looks like in the morning at 10 in the morning. So I think I'm going to go kind of a mix of both. Probably going to go down that way and then into the beach a little bit. So stay tuned. Let's put this up on the map exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Away in the distance, you can also see a statue. I don't know what that is, but there's also a ship. I don't know if the statue is like a Buddha, or it's not a Buddha, but it's could be a lot of different stuff. It could be Guayin, or I don't know. I'm kind of curious. In Macau, they have the goddess Mazu, Guayin, and it could be Guayin. I have to get over there to find out. Let's have a hula hoop. So that's kind of cool. So we're going to be walking down this this beach right here. That's kind of cool that she's practicing the hula hoop there. Okay, so let's go on down. We're going to go all the way down to here. And it looks like the red means, I think it means that there's no swimming. Let's take a look. No swimming. Danger, you got the red. So I guess the waves are really choppy today, so I guess that's going on. I also got a surfer right here as well. There's more people way down that way. I don't know how much they can go into that. Kind of want to see if he goes right into the water or not. And I'm going to turn the camera off. Looks like it's just going to stretch. Let's go back up to the front, up to the top. Okay. I guess that surfer's just going to exercise the stretch and then he's going to go in, I guess. So let's go up this way. And this is basically the boardwalk, so you can walk all the way down. I don't know how far it goes, but it must go quite a ways. Huh, Banda Hills, there's actually a craft beer festival. September 14th, I think that's today, Sunday. Huh. So that's kind of interesting. Then you can also work out on these machines as well. Got some beautiful trees as well. Okay. Do some pull-ups. Some drivers there as well. Okay. So it's kind of a choppy, windy day. I also got these beach bars as well. So up and down this whole thing, there's some different bars like that where you can drink and eat, and you can get a chair as well. It's a little bit windy this morning on this Sunday. December 14 is the date. And I think I'm going to keep this one a little bit small, short. I think maybe later there'll be more people, but it's a little bit colder and a little bit windier. So I guess you can't really swim and can't really sunbathe because the sun's not out either. But there is a certain beauty to this, nonetheless. This is kind of a cool theme because you can sit along here. And there's also like natural flavas, coffee, tea, gelato, healthy drinks. That's kind of cool. A lot of times I will see people sitting in these little spaces, so that person just was sitting in one. It's pretty cool. Okay. So we're gonna kind of walk down the beach a little ways, give you some ideas what it looks like. So I'm going to go down the opposite way. There's all these little places you can get coconut in here, fresh juice. Okay. Let's go up more. You can also see all the hotels, restaurants, bakeries. Okay. There's a lot more of all these down here. So I guess they do have surfing. So they have surfboards right here, and then some of these as well. And I guess we did see somebody with a surfboard right there. So pretty cool. Another place you can sit, so you can sit along this boardwalk. And then you can also take a look at the ocean from here as well. And then I think this one is Caribou Coffee. I think I ate here not too long ago. 24 hours, so you can come at nighttime as well. Okay. You got more places you can sit up front. You saw beer as well. So it's super nice. This guitar. Good people. Good beer. on this side you got some volleyball. We'll keep on walking down. Gives you a little taste of what the beach looks like in Danang at 10:30 in the morning on a cloudy, windy December Sunday. There we go. Mayan Beach. So I think we had Mai Kai and then Mai Aunt. And I just realized that I've been having my camera settings on a hyper view, which is kind of distorts everything quite a bit. And now it's not. Okay, anyways. More kind of beach scene stuff to the left. And this kind of is replicated all the way down as well. You can see all the chairs in there as well. So you'll see these all up along the whole ocean, all the way down, much further down as well. Okay, now I just have it on the normal setting. I might end up eating here. I like this shade. I think I was here the other day. I did eat here the other day. I had pasta, but I don't want to eat. I was hoping to find some Vietnamese food, but it looks like that one is more Western menu. Looks like a great place to sit. Anyways, gonna be ending. I think I'm gonna end over by these little kiosk things. So. Okay, so I guess they pull out the chairs. So some of them are already out, but maybe it's a little bit too early, a little bit too windy to bring out more of them, but it'd be more like that. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna end our video. There's the kind of choppy water